Welcome to the Buskop Law Group's FAQ series. This installment is about what does the client need to bring to a patent meeting at the Buskop Law Group, or what should you have if we come to see you, because unlike other patent law firms, we make house calls, or I should say business calls. We actually come to see your invention if you want us to. What do we need to see? Number one, we need to know who the inventors are that worked on the case. After knowing the names of the inventors, we need to know why was the invention created. What is the problem it was trying to solve? Did it need to stop explosions? Did it need to detect leaks? Did it need to help people before surgery, prepare for that surgery? What did it need to do? After the client tells us those pieces of information, we could certainly use to see a figure if it's a device, meaning a drawing of the main parts of it, or a photograph of the device if it's been built. And if it's not a device and it's a piece of software, we could use some screenshots of the demo, prototype version, or we can see a flow chart of what the different modules are of the actual piece of software. Then we hopefully get the client to identify what those modules are, so we're not guessing what a particular item is. We might think we know it, but in a cutaway figure, maybe it's not quite what we thought it was. Something looks like a seal, turns out to be a completely different part, and it's a collar. So we could use that figure, we could use that flow chart. So we have benefits, we have flow charts, and of course some sort of description of the invention, which we call the Bubba story, is helpful. The Bubba story is, how is Bubba going to use this invention? That's not how the guy that installs it uses it, but this is how a user would use the invention. That's usually a paragraph or two telling us about that. And those things are really all we need for that first meeting. Please go to our website for more information, buskoplaw.com.